I look like. Oh wow, that's rough. Oh wow. Rise and grind.
I'm gonna go pee, so you gotta pee.
I took like 3 melatonin pills last night. I almost put face wash on. But I just watched the first clip I filmed with me in my bed right here with the fairy lights. It is so dark, like you can't see anything. But I'm trying to leave by like 7:10 because I don't know where this school is. I've never been to this school. It's like kind of far out. Look how clear and beautiful the sky is. Those innocent eyes. That smile on your face makes it easy to trust you. If they only knew. I'm just like sitting in my car. I'm like really nervous. I don't know why. I've taken the SATs before, but this time, like, last time I felt so confident and I didn't even do that well. And this time I'm literally getting like anxiety attacks like 10 times per freaking minute, and I don't know. So freaking cold. It's so cold. It's 75 right now. I don't know if you can see that. Also, my camera's on 25 and I have 2 batteries, but I don't know where my charger is. My house is freezing because my house is like all marble. It's 2:41 and I'm about to start doing my hair, mainly because I'm teasing it. I think I'm gonna just take a nap. I think I'm gonna just do a straight pony today. Like, I might like tease like underneath and then just have it like bump up, you know what I mean? So I'm done with my hair. I literally just did a ponytail and like slightly teased like half of my hair. So, and then I just laid like the rest of my hair on top of the tease. Brushed out. I feel like you can kind of see the tease, but it's fine. So now I'm doing my makeup. I'm for sure doing like a nice little eye look, but I'm probably just gonna do concealer and like powder and all that for actual like face makeup, because I'm just not in the mood to like cake my face with anything other than powder. I haven't done a brow this good in a hot year. So hair and makeup done. I just, you know, and then makeup looks like this. I look really weird. Like, and then I have my uniform on. I just did, for face, I did, I forgot what it's called, sorry. I can't remember the brand. I know Kylie Jenner uses it. Kevin Kwan. I use this stuff. Kevin Kwan concealer, and then my NARS concealer, and then a ton of, and then just like the rest are just powder products. So I technically don't really have anything on my face except for powders. I just have under eye and then spot concealer right here. So it's getting really dark outside. So. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see me right now, but I'm about to leave for the game. It's 5:17. I'm actually leaving early because I'm gonna go to Starbucks and get dinner, aka coffees.
UTI if I don't go to the bathroom.
Want to go to the bathroom?
Me.
It's game day! When I met you and my heart went knock knock. It's my world, your friend, it's your pride, my friend, it's your friend.
Let's go ahead and bring it in.
For sure, I'ma tell you one time, girl I love you. Girl I love you. You're my #1 girl. Tell you one time. I'ma tell you one time. I love you. It smells like hot dogs.
Oh my god, you have a great sense of smell.
I know!
I love you, Maddie. I love you, Amy.
Country boy, I love you.
You're gonna kill me right now.
Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. What? You know you love me. I'm gonna put my toe warmers on, dude. It's cold. Your toe warmers? I got toe warmers. I'm gonna need that shit now. I still see your shadows in my room. Back the love that I gave you is to the point where I love it, I hate you.
Where did I get?
Wait, this is a whole music video. Touching hands. Touch your damn hands.
Reaching
out. Touching me. Touching you. Come on, let's go, bitch. Sweet Caroline. Ba-da-ba-bum. 'Cause times never been so good. So good, so good. Where's our team? Say thank you to everyone who supported me. It's our last game. But we won! But we won! Wait! I get 24 seasons! In a vlog? Yes! Can I vlog? Yeah. Hey, so we just won this game. We're going to state! Wait, we're state LA! State, baby. Go to state. Yeah! Do you see my tonsils? Stop it. She got tonsillitis. Bronchi. Ew, your tongue. You need to brush your tongue, sis. Huh. I had a lot of. Oh, you fucked it up. I'm vlogging. No, Amy. I'm vlogging. Oh. Hey, so.
Hey, is this a vlog? Hey.
You can get in it, Haley. This right here, right now. The bullshit I gotta deal with right here in this red jacket. Oh my god. I don't wanna listen. Leslie, I'm vlogging.
Hi vlog. I just came back from Cairo.
Hey, Jalea. Are you excited?
We going to state, you know what it is. Florida's so stupid.
She looks like a whale. What'd you call me? A whale. Fuck you. Thanks.
Is it a picture with me?
Yeah.
How do you do it?
State bound bitches. What?
Thank you, next bitch. Don't do that.
Me with
Wait, I want a picture with you too.
Hi, Amy. This is Jenna. I stole your goat. You told them I left.
No, I didn't say you left. I said you weren't.
This fucking chode. I met him. This is Amy's vlog. Hi, Amy. I stole your GoPro and I just met Gunner. I just met the boyfriend. I just stripped his mom. Oh my god. What is happening? Let's get this.
Okay guys, I'm home now. It's like 11:11. It's 11:12 now. Damn it, I missed my wish. Oh my god, I'm looking rough. I'm so tired. I literally was like out on the field till like literally the guys left on the buses. That's how long I was out there. And I like took pictures of people, said hi, you know, we just like won. I don't think I mentioned that. I think I did, but yeah, we won. So we're going to state next week and I'm so excited. It's in LA and I'm actually really hungry. I'm too lazy to eat, so sleep for dinner. It's gonna be fun going through this and editing it, but I hope you guys enjoy this video and see you next time. Bye. Sweet Caroline.